Hello, my lovely Rawsueshii, Christina, Lorre family. Yes, you guys, we are back with another video today. And yes, you guys, we are drawing the lovely, adorable, super cute Miss Dolores Madrigal from Disney's Encanto. Yes, you guys. Oh my gosh, y'all. So I just had to draw Miss Dolores because she is just so cute. She's my favorite character in the movie. She's super adorable. And I was like, yo, let's see how she would look if we redesigned her, gave her a modern style and a different pose, and just, you know, Baddie-fied her, because, you know, this is the Baddie series and we back with it, y'all. Ooh, I'm so excited. I can't wait to do fan art and stuff more. But anyways, you guys, so I just showed you all the references that I'll be using to draw the new Dolores and to draw the redesign. So I've got this cute picture of De'Ara and this cute little pose. I really love the pose, and I was like, oh my gosh, I can see her in this pose, super cute. And then I had some other clothing that I'll put up here that I feel like would really suit Dolores. I feel like she would wear these style tops. I need to figure out the name of these style tops, oh my goodness. But anyways, as you can see, I just used my brush set. If you guys are interested in using my brushes, they're available on my Patreon at patreon.com/rawsueshii. I'm using my raw sketch brush. Oh my gosh, you guys, I literally am so happy because everybody has been telling me how much they love my brushes, and that literally just makes me feel so good. I designed this brush to basically be like my pencil that I actually used to draw with on my traditional paper, and yeah, everybody says they love it and I love it. I use it for all of my drawings, so if you guys are interested, go ahead and check that out on my Patreon. It's on the sushi roll tier and on the little sushi tier. So yeah, you guys, back to Miss Dolores. So with this pose, I was like, okay, I could definitely see her, you know, like that picture that I have of her right there, you know, with her hand behind her ear, because, you know, she has supersonic hearing, I guess we can call it that. She can hear things very well, you guys. So I was like, okay, we're going to just amplify this pose a little bit, just make it real cutesy, very Instagram baddie-like. And we're going to put Dolores in this style. So I was so excited when I saw her character in the movie, because I was just like, oh my gosh, this looks like something I would draw. She looks like one of my art pieces. Actually, I'm gonna put it up on the screen. I actually drew this character called Curly Cutie, and she reminds me so much of Dolores. Oh my gosh, so cute. I love her. So I was like, yes, we're definitely drawing her for the Baddie series. And yeah, you guys, so I can't wait to share with you guys the process. I can't wait till you guys see the results of how this turned out. So I decided that for this first design, I wanted to give her some cute chunky heels, because y'all, I love drawing chunky heels. There's something about chunky heels. I just love drawing them. They're so cute. I love to wear them too. And I decided to give her those. I also gave her a jean skirt, which you'll see me work on a little bit as the process goes along. And I also gave her this cute crop top with the little puffy sleeves. What do you call this type of top? I don't know. I'm not a fashion, you know, fashion person like that, but I definitely felt like that this kind of top was like perfect for her, because I felt like she would wear it. So basically, I am drawing out everything in my mind that I imagine Miss Dolores wearing. Like, I can just see her rocking this fit, you guys. So yeah. And if I have anything else to say, I'll come back, but I'm gonna let you guys enjoy the process for now. And yeah, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay, so this was not in the original plans, but I decided to do a new design for her. I really wanted to redesign her dress, you guys. Yes, I wanted to see what her dress would look like if we redesigned it, we Baddie-fied it, we made it super just cute and modernized. And yeah, I just really felt like this reference that I'm using for her dress redesign was perfect for her. I really feel like this is something she would be wearing with the poofy sleeves. And I decided to basically mix this dress with the dress that she's wearing in the movie. So I had to do this idea because I was like, in my head, I was like thinking in my head, I was like, oh my gosh, it would be so cute for a dress look like this. So I was like, I've got to draw this idea down. So I can't wait till you guys see the development of the dress, and I'm going to talk a little bit more about it as I draw with it. And then the pose was just perfect. I just love that pose. It's so cute. I wanted to, you know, do one cute pose and one sophisticated pose. And then right here, as you guys notice on her dress, there's like this little volume, like looking design on there, and I really feel like they did that purposely because, you know, she has supersonic hearing, and I don't know if that was, you know, intentional, but that was something that I noticed that is an important part of, you know, character design, is making features about that character that deal with, you know, what their characteristics are. So because she has that supersonic hearing, maybe they put those designs on her, the top part of her dress to symbolize, you know, like when you're turning up the volume. I don't know if that was intentional, if that was the reason why they drew it like that, but I noticed that and I was like, okay, that was really smart of them to, you know, add that into her character design, even though it's really subtle. So I decided to add that to the bottom part of her dress because, you know, I'm mashing up that her original dress design with the reference picture and what I see in my head. So yeah, you guys, super cute. I really love that. Let me know if you noticed that too. Yeah, I think that's super cute. And I love the big bow on her head. You know what it reminds me of? It reminded me of Minnie Mouse. And I don't know, can mice, do they have really good hearing or something? Because I don't know if that was, because you know, like how Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse, they have really big ears. So I don't know if they were like thinking about that as well, because like maybe, you know, their hearing is really good too. And I don't know if that like inspired them to put the bow on her, but I don't know. Also the bow and just putting her hair up, it really just puts focus on her super cute little face. And yeah, so those are just my little observations of her character. And of course I'm giving her heels on this one too, because I just see Miss Dolores rocking heels. I see her rocking the cute heels, the chunky heels. I see her rocking it. I mean, of course, you know, I can see her rocking some sneakers too, but I just wanted to put her in heels because I love drawing heels. Like I will make every excuse to draw heels, like on every character. I just love drawing heels. It's so much fun. But yeah, you guys, I'm like super excited about how the design turned out. Like I started crying. I don't know if it was because I was literally listening to Disney music. I was listening to Disney soundtrack music from like all the Disney movies, or it was just the combination of me being able to sketch out exactly what I imagined in my head, and that means, because you know Disney music always puts me in my feels. Oh my gosh. I actually put up the playlist I was listening to on Spotify, the Disney playlist, and yeah, I was just so happy. I was like, oh my gosh, I feel like I'm improving in my art, and I'm, you know, being able to, I'm starting to be able to draw more of what I see in my head, exactly how I see it. And I think that's a point that we all want to get to, you know, eventually. Obviously, I have so much more that I want to improve in, like in backgrounds and stuff, and doing a lot more. But, you know, one thing that I think I really wanted to improve in my drawing was making my characters look more alive, look more like an animation. And I really feel like I'm getting closer to that, and I really wanted to, you know, explore that in this piece too, because, you know, Dolores is animated, she's so expressive and everything like that, so it was just so much fun just being able to, you know, do this fan art. And yeah, oh, I gave her strappy heels because I really feel like that was going to be like the cutest option for her dress. I really love how that came out, and you know, be a little bit different from the other heels. So the strappy heels are so cute, guys. I love straps on heels. That's just so cute. It just really gives that extra pop, that extra detail to it. I'm pretty sure, okay, so you see how her hand is on her butt right there? I really feel like I did not do that correctly, like proportionate wise, but the only reason why I feel like I didn't is because I didn't have the best reference for it. Even though her hand is on her hip in that picture, I feel like I could have done better with that, but it's okay, you know, we live and we learn, you know. But yeah, if you guys are wanting to see this whole process in real time, I have it available on my Patreon, on patreon.com/Rawsueshii. Then can I even say my name at Rawsueshii? So if you guys are interested in seeing the real time of me drawing this, I will be uploading that on my Patreon. So yeah, you guys. But yeah, so I did not originally, I don't know if I said this already, but I originally did not have it planned to do 2 different designs, but I was like, I just have to redesign her dress, and I'm so happy I did it. And also, I figured out what that top is called on the right side. It's a Bordeaux crop top. Shout out to my fashionable friends for helping me out on that one, because I sure enough didn't know. Okay, I sure enough didn't know. So you learn something new every day. But now onto the coloring part. Oh my goodness, you guys. So Like I said in the beginning, it was not in the original plan to create another design, but I just had to. I really wanted to redesign her dress, so I did it, and it ended up taking way longer than I intended, so that's why, you know, the video was posted today instead of Friday, but you know, it's okay. As long as I get it done, you know, and share it with you guys, I think that's all that matters. So for this painting process, I am painting over the line art. This is something that I recently just started doing. I took a tutorial by Rawsueshii, I think that's how you say her name, and I really loved how she did this process. Even though this process really takes a long time, this is going to be like one of my painting styles that I do digitally, but I really want to work on creating a more simple painting style, something that won't take as long, so just so that I can have options and, you know, be able to play around with different painting styles, because, you know, I feel like I'm still kind of working on my painting style. But yeah, as you can see right here, I decided to make the sleeves a little bit see-through. I really love that effect that I added with it. I really think it's really cute, just adds an extra pop. Super cute. And I am using my own paintbrush to do this. I call it the paint over brush, because, you know, that's what I'm doing, painting over the line art. So that is a part of the brush set that I have available on my Patreon on the little sushi tier and the sushi roll tier if you guys are interested. Yes. So yeah, I had to take off the straps temporarily just so that I could color her skin and, you know, put it back on on top after I was finished. Also, you guys, I know y'all are wondering how I'm going to draw Miss Dolores' beautiful curls on top of her head, and my girl Vigalia reached out to me, and I'm going to be using her brushes. Yes, you guys, I was so impressed when I saw these brushes. I was like, yes, ma'am, she did that. Like, all of these patterns, the range, the different curl patterns is amazing, and I decided to use, I think it's the curl brush pattern in style number 6 for Dolores' hair. I really feel like that one was the best option for Dolores' curl pattern. Oh my gosh, I love how it turned out. Yes, you guys, so I know y'all have heard about brushes by Vigalia. If you guys are on TikTok or Instagram, I know you guys have seen her brushes everywhere. Like, literally, she made history creating these curl brushes that I believe is going to change, well, has already changed the art game. So if you guys are interested in trying out her brushes, if you haven't already, I have a discount code for 10% off in my description below. And yeah, all you have to do is use that code RAW10 and get y'all some curl brushes, okay? Because, you know, the curls is going to be popping forever now. Thank you, Miss Vigalia. So yeah, I had to use those brushes, and I'm so happy that I was finally able to share that with you guys. So yeah. But anyways, you guys, I'm going to continue on doing this painting process, and if I have anything else to say, like I always say, I'll come back and let y'all know. Oh wait, before we go, yes, this jean skirt, oh my gosh, I love how the how the jean skirt came out. At first I wasn't going to give her a jean skirt, but I just really felt like it gave a good contrast, you know, with a little bit of the detail and everything. But yeah, I think at this point I'm almost done with the picture. I gave her red toenails and fingernails. I don't know if you guys noticed that yet, but I just was like, I see a lot of red in her character design, so I was like, you know what, I think red toenails would be perfect for her. And then I also had to change up the shape of her hair because I wanted it to be closer to the shape that was in the movie, because I feel like I had it too round and I wanted to just shape it to more of how it looked on her character. So I fixed that. And yeah, basically I'm just adding in the details and everything, even the little details that you see. If you look up really closely on her bow, there's like these little details on her bow that I didn't want to forget, so I added that in. And yeah, you guys, oh my gosh, I am so happy how this turned out. I love the colors and how everything just kind of came together. I'm gonna come back at the end and, you know, when I show you guys like the final results, and we'll talk more then. But yeah, you guys continue to enjoy for now. Alrighty, you guys, so this is the final result. Yes, Dolores Madrigal. looking like a baddie, even though she already was a baddie. I'm just so happy I decided to do this redesign so I could see how it would look, and I'm so happy with the results. I think she looks fabulous. And if you guys didn't know, I also added a little wedding ring on her finger. I don't know if y'all saw that, but you know, because she found her boo at the end of the movie, so I was just gonna assume that, you know, he gave her that ring and it's blinging, so I put it on her finger because, you know, she booed up. So I thought that was cute. And yeah, I even made their own little individual backgrounds as well, which I think turned out super cute. So if you guys wanted to see these images, I posted them on my Instagram, or I will post them on my Instagram because I'm probably going to be posting this before I post them on my Instagram. But yeah, follow me there on Instagram at Rawsueshii. And also follow me on TikTok at Rawsueshii Official. I will be posting cute videos on there of this piece, so make sure you guys share those videos for me when I post them. Shares are appreciated. And yeah, you guys, share this video, like, comment, subscribe if you guys want to see more. I will definitely be doing more fan art. I'm excited to. And let me know what you guys think about this design down below. And also, if you guys are wanting to see the full process, make sure to check out my Patreon at patreon.com/Rawsueshii. And I will see you guys on my next video. Peace, love, and God bless my loves. Bye.